Hi, I'm Alex from JSTOR Labs, and I'd like to tell you about a quick project we did with Rutgers University. In April 2018, Rutgers and JSTOR co-hosted a workshop to brainstorm new tools and services for scholars and students working in the field of public health. Informed by research on public health students that JSTOR conducted, and research on public health scholars conducted by Ithaca S&R, we cataloged the tasks public health researchers have to perform, the goals of public health researchers, and the hurdles that stand in their way. Then, informed by this picture of a public health researcher, we sketched as many ideas as possible, shared those ideas, and then we sketched again. Then we voted on the most exciting ideas, and what emerged were 5 concepts. To learn more about their potential, we made 5 quick paper prototypes. We then showed these prototypes to public health students and scholars in order to better understand which ideas were the clearest and the most promising. Here are those ideas. The paper X-ray browses academic literature with you and automatically extracts key elements like the hypothesis, methodology, topics, and references, making it easier to assess and read scholarship. The multidisciplinary profiler analyzes your papers, helping you complete your research by suggesting relevant topics and disciplines that you may be unfamiliar with. Public health career paths uses testimonials, quizzes, and data to help students understand and choose between the career opportunities available in this diverse field. Datasets for public health topics directs researchers to recent and highly cited datasets, as well as to datasets that could be appropriate for teaching purposes. And the Journal of Negative Results in Public Health publishes the results from studies with inconclusive results or which failed to prove their hypothesis. In the user tests, all these ideas showed some promise. Both students and faculty responded especially well to the paper X-ray. Students were especially eager for the public health career paths, while faculty were excited for data sets for public health topics. With this feedback, we can now begin to explore what it will take to make the ideas that hatched in April at Rutgers a reality. If you have thoughts on how to make these ideas successful, we'd love to hear from you. Thank you.